Hi everyone, it's here. This month put a stamp on it. Seems like it came earlier or something. I don't know, it seems like I just got one, but it's here. So let's see what we have. We have a Christmas card. I'm changing my box next month. You will not get a packing list because every box will truly be different. Everything won't necessarily match. I have small numbers of many items. Your boxes will continue to be jammed full of high-value items that you can use. In addition, there will be lots of retired and new Stampin' Up! Items and paper crafting items. There will be lots of one-of-a-kind items and rubber stamps. You won't be disappointed. Okay. I haven't been disappointed so far. Well, last couple months have been kind of... Oh, and even a hand-signed Christmas card. That is cute. A little wood ornament and a little snowflake. These are nice. I like the subscription box. Ooh. Yeah, it's packed. As you can see, it is packed. So we have a very pretty stencil. Wow. Nice. And again, I do not think this box is from Stampin' Up! We have some snowflakes, full stickers. Ooh, I got silicone stamps this time. Yes. Wow. Needs something, and I can't read that. Can you guys read that? I can't read it. But anyway. Yeah, I got the bird cage, follow your dreams. Hello. This is nice. Dragonflies. This is nice. Great Christmas papers. And it's always in a couple different types. I'm not going to untie these because I really don't need Christmas paper yet, so unfortunately they'll go into the hoarding big bag of ribbons, all in Christmas colors. Nice. So what did I get? Let's see, cards and envelopes. More. Some more ink, these tape things. A glue stick. Stampin' Up! Country Road stamp set. Happy birthday. Nothing's better than the wind at your back, the sun to your face, and the family at your side. Wow. Nice. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to cancel after all. Oh, look at the brads. They're little snowflakes. Every month you get a little small thing of brads, but they're more than you can use. I mean, it's plenty. I'm not even sure what this is, but let's see. It's by Stampin' Up! Oh, it's a clear block. Cool, big, thick block from Stampin' Up! And, of course, what I'm most excited for, Granny Apple Green. Granny Apple Green. Sorry, I don't have my glasses on. Gray Granite. Mary Merlot. Oh, I love this color in their paper. And I can't see this. It's a yellowish. And let's see, I've got a couple of makeup wedges. You are amazing. And thank you for welcoming our newest arrival. It's cute. And that's this month, but it's, guys, come on, look at this. I think I paid $39 for this box. I'm not sure. It's like $39.99. What craft store can you walk in and buy this for that? Where? Tell me. I don't think you can. These are Stampin' Up! Products coming from the subscription box. And it's not a Stampin' Up! Box, I don't think. It may be a representative stamping up who has, you know, salesperson, whatever you want to call them. I don't know who this Cindy lady is, but she's amazing. I love her boxes. Go to cratejoy.com. Look for Put a Stamp on It subscription box. I mean, it is packed full every single month. And it is good quality stuff, really. I mean, it's well over the amount you're paying for it. Well over. So what if it's discontinued stamping up stuff? Do you have it now? Could you afford it before it was discontinued? You know, it's just amazing. So this box came with 1 sheet of stickers, the Country Road stamp set, 2 thank you stamps, 20 white or cream pieces for stamping the inside of cards, 1 package of 6x6 Granny Apple Green assorted designer papers, 16 pre-folded assorted colored cards, 1 package of 6x6 snowflake prints, 1 package of clear transparent stamps, 3 Stampin' Up! Full-size ink pads, dries instantly. Well, I'm not sure, but yeah, I got 4. So, 20 white envelopes. Envelope journals, guys, come on, even if you don't make cards. 1 bag of assorted ribbons, and the ribbons are always beautiful and good quality. 1 glue stick, container of brads, 1 sheet of pop dots, which I don't care if they don't send me those, I have a million of them. A few snowflakes, 1 stencil, put a sheet of cardstock on it, and use sponger or dauber. Well, we know how to do that. Dauber or sponge piece, which I got the 2 makeup wedges. 1 acrylic stamp block for attaching acrylic stamps. Guys, come on. Yo, this is a fantastic box. A fantastic box. And I may just go live later and work with things in this box to show you all the different things you can do with one little subscription box. It doesn't have to all be cards. So, let's make Cindy's 2019 a huge success. And everybody, go to Crate Joy, C-R-A-T-E, Joy, J-O-Y.com. It's all one word. Put a stamp on it. Let me see. Yeah. Crate Joy. Seriously. This is amazing. Just absolutely amazing subscription box. If I had to cancel every single subscription box I had and only keep one, I'm keeping this one. You know, you'll get some down months, like the last 2 months were kind of, I don't know if I'm going to stay with it or not. But now that she put that note in there saying that she's going to be putting more new and discontinued Stampin' Up! Things in her boxes, yeah, I'm going to stay with it. And I strongly suggest spend the money. It's not that much. And you get 3 to 4 times the value in each box. They may start out small, you know, just to see if you're really going to be a loyal customer to them. And Cindy, I apologize for the last 2 videos saying, I don't know. Because the last 2 I wasn't real thrilled with. But then again, they were okay. But this one is fantastic. Merry Christmas to me and happy birthday too. This is perfect. Okay guys, I'll see you soon. Don't forget, put a stamp on it at cratejoy.com.